If you run Langflow or similar AI workflow tools on the internet, check exposure and patch status now. Today's key CVE is CVE 2025-3248. NVD lists vulnerable Langflow versions before 1.3.0 as exposed to critical code injection, with remote unauthenticated arbitrary code execution and a CVSS 3.1 score of 9.8. The reason this matters is the consequence. Sysdig's threat research team says it captured JADEPUFFER, which it assesses as an LLM-driven, agentic ransomware operation. Sysdig says the initial door was an exposed Langflow instance affected by CVE 2025-3248, and the campaign moved toward database extortion behavior. We are not covering exploit steps. The defender pattern is what matters: an exposed AI workflow service, useful credentials, database reach, and an automated loop that can retry, prioritize, and adapt faster than a human operator manually babysitting every branch. AI does not magically create access, but it can compress the time from a known vulnerable service to business impact. Here is the practical checklist. First, find every internet-facing Langflow or AI Builder instance. Confirm version, authentication, and network restrictions. If CVE 2025-3248 applies, upgrade to a fixed version, isolate the service, and preserve logs before they roll off. Second, rotate secrets that the workflow environment could reach: environment variables, API keys, database credentials, cloud tokens, and service account keys. Then reduce blast radius. A pilot AI tool should not have brought production database or cloud administrator access just because it was convenient. Third, treat every AI agent like a real cloud identity. Give it an owner, scope, expiration date, approval policy, and logs. If the agent can call tools, query databases, change code, or send messages, incident responders need to know exactly what it did and under whose authority. Fourth, do not trust traffic only because the IP address looks residential. Google says it disrupted the NetNet residential proxy network with partners and estimated at least 2 million devices. Proxy infrastructure can camouflage automated abuse, so detection should focus on behavior: unusual database exports, privilege checks, deletion attempts, strange API calls, impossible travel, and new access from identities that normally do something else. Finally, apply the boring controls that scale. GitHub secret scanning work is a good reminder: alerts have to be actionable, secrets must be revoked quickly, and repositories need guardrails such as review, strong authentication, and safer publishing paths. Bottom line, CVE 2025-3248 is a Langflow patching issue, but the larger lesson is AI agent blast radius. Constrain what the loop can see, what it can touch, and how quickly it can act. That is the difference between an exposed service and a contained incident.